Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and welcome to the series Practice with Me Sessions, SolidWorks Beginners. Few things before we get started. If you're not in the first video of the series, you would probably miss something useful. Practice with Me sessions are designed in a way to explain tool to the beginners by actually working on the simple projects. Thereby they learn to implement the tool at the same time. It requires zero CAD knowledge if you want to start with these lessons. I will make the drawing file full size in every video beginning so the users can take a screenshot of it and use it while they practice. This series is created following the success and appreciation I received from CAPA videos, so I will try my best to do the same with SolidWorks as well. I request my viewers and subscribers to give the same support I received from CAPA tutorial videos so that we can make this program a huge success. As usual, give thumbs up and comments. Without further ado, let's begin. In this video, we'll work on exercise number 65. To begin with, let's go to File, New, and double click on the part template. And we have the empty workspace open. Let's click on the sketch and let's select the sketch tool. And to begin this drawing, I would suggest, or I would actually go ahead and create this portion here. So to do that, let's take the top plane and simply draw a rectangle. Smart dimension, that would be how much? 90. And this thickness would be 50. Alright, now we have to give this thickness, right? So let's exit the sketch here and go for features, extrude boss and base, and we can give a 6 here. 6. Alright, now we can see that there is a fillet on all the edges over here, so the fillet radius should be given somewhere. So if it's not given, we would probably have to assume what it is. It's not given, so I think let's better assume maybe a 2 or a 3 radius. Alright, so before we do that, let's give this portion over here. So I'll select this face here and do the sketch. And I'll simply draw a centered rectangle. I'll do a coincidence, collinear, tick mark, smart dimension, that would be another 30. And this thickness is another 6. Alright, now select the second one and the third point and give not intersection. So let's do it 1, 2 and 3. Why is it intersection? No, it's not intersection. Control Z. Okay, we can do it this way. Select this line here and go for this point. Now you can give midpoint. Alright, that does the trick. And now you can exit the sketch here and you can again go for an overall pad here. So to do that overall pad, so you have to literally go for 90. So just go to the features and select 90. Reverse direction, it should be 90. 90 here, tick mark. It's not exactly, yeah, 90, tick mark. Alright, so this is 62, so what we can do is you can just go over here and go for edit sketch and give 62. Update this as 62 here, and exit the sketch, and that's what. So we have this done till here, right? Now we can do another sketch over here, and what we can do, okay, before we do that sketch, we can simply select this edge and this edge and go for fillet and give a fillet radius of 4 and do tick mark. And now we have that done as well. Now simply select this face here and go for the sketch, and you can simply create a circle here, and that circle should be of radius 11, so diameter should be 22. Alright, and we just need to alright, radius 4, radius 11, and we need to get a curvature over here. So to do that, I'm not sure why it's radius 11. Okay, so what we do is, let's come out of this sketch and go for the fillet and give a fillet radius of 2. Alright, let the fillet radius be 2, tick mark. Now what we can do is come back to the sketch and go for edit sketch, Control 8. Now we can create a circle there, alright. Else I'll just simply, this should be touching here, so okay, we'll do one thing, we'll just remove this radius here and we'll select the circle and just do a fix over there and select the circle and the circle here and go for a tangent, tick mark. Now what we can do next will be to create a line across and select this circle and go for mirror. Before we do that mirror, we have to create a center line. Now you can select the circle here and go for mirror, and you can select the mirror about as this axis here. Go for the tick mark. Alright, what we can do next will be to trim all the unwanted portions. So trim all the unwanted portions, and we have this portion created. Now you can exit the sketch and you can go for extruded cut, select the sketch here and go for up to next, click on tick mark. Now we have that done as well. There was a minor discrepancy over here, so that's fine. We have solved that. Alright. Let me just check what is the dimension of this. Yeah. And let me also check what is the not this one. This 30 itself. Yes, okay. So moving ahead, we have got this much. Now let me zoom this out a little bit. Okay. Now we have to create this portion here, right? So to create that, what I would suggest would be to okay, go for the sketch, click on the sketch and select the front plane, and you can simply create circle and another circle, dimension them as radius 20 and diameter 20. So diameter 20 and diameter 40. Alright, now that circle is at a distance of how much? 34. That would be to the base here. Alright. Now what we can do next would be to create a line of distance 7. So I would just simply create a line here of distance 7 and smart dimension it to 7. And now what I would do would be select, create a line that is tangential here, tangent, tick mark. Now make sure that the center point is vertical over here. So we saw that there is some constraining happening there, right? Now similarly, you can create a center line and you can simply select this line and this line here and go for mirror and select the mirror about as this axis here and click on the tick mark. Now you can use the trim entities and trim this portion here and this one and this one. Alright. Now we have to also make sure that we are applying tangent here, because tangency constraint doesn't get mirrored when we do the mirroring. Radius 20, diameter 20. There is something that looks amiss here. Something doesn't look right. 21. Okay. 21. 34 will be from, okay, 34. Let's do one thing. This 34 here is not from here. This 34 is from top over here to this will be 34. Alright, now we can exit the sketch and we can go for, no, we cannot exit the sketch yet. I'll select the sketch here and go for edit sketch and complete the sketch by clicking and creating a line from here to here. Now we can simply exit the sketch and go for features, extrude boss and base, and give the thickness as 12, so that's 6 each on both sides. Alright, now that's done. We had created a circle there, not sure why. Okay, so I've just edit feature and sketch should happen. Remove this and I should select this and this, the complete sketch. Click on tick mark and we have that there. Now what we have to do next will be to create this curvature here. So to create that, let's just simply select this edge and this edge here and go for edge fillet of radius 12. Now we have that created as well. Now finally we can see that there is a hole over here created. So to create that, we have to select the sketch and do a sketch on the front plane. What we have to basically do is create a line here, create a line, and that line will be at a distance of 21 from the center of the circle. So from the center of the circle, it's how much? 21. We have that line created, and basically the second line will be this line here, so we can just use the convert entities feature, and the width will be 35, so that is 17.5 each. I'll just simply draw a line downwards and give 17.5 from the origin. Alright, now I can simply repeat the step on the other side. $17.5. Alright, now you can use a trim command and trim all these portions off. And finally you can use the exit sketch and give features extruded cut, and you can give up to next here and up to next over here as well. Click on tick mark. That's all. So that's all about this video. If you have any doubts, you can comment below the video. Thank you so much and stay tuned. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts on this video, put them on the comment section and I'll try to respond to them as early as I can. If you think my videos are helpful, hit the like, subscribe and share button. If you're interested to get How Engineers Do It t-shirt, you can get it by contacting me. I've put an image of it on the next slide. Here's a t-shirt. If you've got any CAD related requirements, don't hesitate to contact me anytime. I'm always looking forward to work with you. You can personally get in touch with me at ketia.pro.user@gmail.com. Thank you for your time and stay tuned.